What a tacky lamp. I don't want to talk to an object. I'm not that kind of a guy. I better not. That's Father Roy, a living legend. No one lays a finger on Father Roy. What's up, Father? You're such a blast. Do you know that? Some nice pool cues. We used to play with our feet before Elaine brought them in, and frankly, it was kind of hard. I'd rather talk to people. This is not the moment. They seem busy. I better not disturb them. I'm not disturbing them. They're busy. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. The pictures in this place are a mystery. I don't feel like doing that. I'm not taking the pictures. I don't need to use the restroom right now. Well, actually I do. But this is just the prologue, so let's get to the point already. Some of the bottles are really weird. I'd love to drink them all. I'd probably die, but I'd die happy. I wish, but I can't reach them. Some of the bottles are really weird. They keep those things preserved in formaldehyde? What if they escape? They would exterminate us all. Not cool, man. In the vast universe, the history of humanity is but a flash of light from a lone star. Did you hear that, you damn creature? I know what you are. What if I break it? It would be much worse then. Contra or Probotector? That is the question. I don't think you could drink that. I don't need a spread gun right now. They keep those things preserved in formaldehyde? What if they escape? They would exterminate us all. Not cool, man. Some of the bottles are really weird. Oh God, Elaine. Every time she's close, the hair on the back of my neck stands on end. I keep hoping it's my spidey senses telling me the Green Goblin is here. But nope, always her. How you doing, Elaine?
Better now that you're here.
Well, I'm glad because I'm here to tell you that there's a gift for you in the alley, courtesy of Matt. Listen, that's your present now.
Ugh, that's just great. Doesn't your friend Sponge Matt know when enough is enough?
Well, there was this one time, back when we were just kids. No, wait, he threw up then as well.
Does he? Oh, okay. So, on another note, would you like to go out sometime?
Go out? Who with? Is there a new waitress? Is she hot? Does she have a boyfriend? Does she like me? Could she beat me in arm wrestling?
No, there's no new waitress.
Then?
Would you like to go out with me sometime?
Oh well, I don't think I'm ready to be in a relationship right now.
Oh, that's cool. Don't worry. I'll see you around.
Enough ugly people for today, please.
Go on, Randal. Go see if he's painted the entire alley with his guts.
Do I have time to run home and get my hazmat suit first? Poor thing. She just doesn't seem to comprehend that it's Matt's destiny to drink till bad things happen. Yeah, classic Matt. Hey, Matt! Should I grab Father Roy to perform an exorcism? You seem to have a little projectile vomiting going on. Dude, you know what I think about you drinking that much.
I know, dude, that a party's not a party till Matt Griffin starts puking it up.
Exactly. But I'm kinda worried about you, you know? You don't even chew your food anymore. I think I just saw a whole nugget.
You know, I saw this documentary about pigeons the other day and the way they're ahead of us. They just gulp everything down and let their stomachs do the rest.
Well, they also hang out on telephone wires and shit on people's heads. You gonna do that too? Well, at least you don't throw up lying on your back anymore.
Well, I'm a grown-up now.
I can't remember what we used to call that one. Can you believe it? Wait, I think I got it. Dr. Griffin's full face mask?
You're not even close.
Ah, dude, damn it. What was it?
Vesuvius, Matt.
Vesuvius Matt stops people in their tracks. That's it. Look, Matt, I love to spend my entire paycheck on booze just like the next guy, but you might want to show a little self-control, huh?
I know, dude. Life's taught me a valuable lesson today.
Really? What's that?
You should always check for homeless people behind the dumpster before you start puking. How pissed is Sally?
Come on, she just cares about you. Me, on the other hand, all I do is watch you laugh in the face of death every day. And believe me, death is the one who really must be pissed at you.
Okay, I think I'm done here. Wanna hug it out?
Matt, I don't want to hug you when you're not covered in vomit. Why would I want to hug you when you are?
Yeah, I know how you roll. 1, no hugs. 2, no sharing. 3, no talking to strangers.
And you forgot the most important one. No altering the space-time continuum.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Vesuvius Matt is up and about again. Follow me, Randal, and don't lose me, cause this night's gonna be legendary.
Matt, you dropped...
Did you hear that, Randal? I think it's arrived. Hurry up! Hey, honey, I'm feeling much better now.
Excellent! Now you can explain to me what the hell this woman is doing here with that animal at my wedding shower.
Yeah, now listen, sweetie,
Matt, please, not now. Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to announce that the donkey has arrived. Let the magic commence. Oh boy, what a night. Alcohol, puking, blood, and there was some praying too. Well, I better get moving. I think I'm supposed to be working today. Now that's what I call culture. Pass. Nah, I like it where it is. Ah, stupid arcade machine. That thing ruined my education, my love life, and my depth perception. That's kind of absurd. I'm not that crazy. I quit playing that machine years ago. I only keep it for its ornamental value, and because I can't move it. Ah, just a sock. I think it was already there when I moved in. Ah, why on earth would I take a sock? Let's just leave it there. You know, chewing on a sock is just not something I want to do. Now that's what I call culture. Pass. Nah, I like it where it is. Now that's what I call culture. Pass. Nah, I like it where it is. Now that's what I call culture. Pass. Nah, I like it where it is. I'd like to say the views are wonderful, but they're not. Good morning, world. You know, I'd rather use the door. Ah, it's that devilish invention that reminds me I'm still alive every morning. I hate you, you damn piece of junk. Why would I take the alarm clock with me? Just a box full of junk. There's nothing useful in there. I'd rather talk to people. Nah, I don't need that right now. Fox would be proud. I don't think so. I'm not taking the stupid posters. There just isn't enough room for all that trash. Mortimer! Ah, screw him. Oh, I'm not gonna get any closer. What if something attacks me? Ooh, hot news. The dude, what a great man. He should get a statue or something. I don't talk to things, except Mortimer. I like it where it is. I should have never taken that green herb from the mansion. I don't need it. My life gauge is full. I don't need it. My life gauge is full. Lots of stuff, but nothing useful. I don't talk to objects. That's the broom we use to switch the channels. I don't think it's ever been used for sweeping. Nothing useful.